In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add map embeds on WordPress.com. If you're looking to enhance your site with an interactive feature like Google Maps, you've come to the right place. Adding a map to your website can be a fantastic way to show your visitors detailed location information, making it easy for them to find or contact you. So let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, you'll need to access the WordPress.com login page. Go ahead and open up your web browser. In the address bar, type in WordPress.com login, and you'll be directed to the login page. Log in with your credentials. It's important to ensure you're using the correct login information so that you can make the necessary updates to your site. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress.com dashboard. Here, look for the option labeled Pages and click it. This is where all your pages are listed, and you can choose which one you want to modify or add content to. If it's a new page you're creating, select the option to add a new page. Otherwise, find the page you want to edit. Now, select the page you wish to update and click on the Edit option. For those using Elementor, a popular WordPress page builder, an Edit with Elementor option will appear. Click on this to open up the Elementor editor interface. Elementor provides a drag-and-drop experience for easy website customization, perfect for those who may not feel comfortable handling code. Inside Elementor, you'll notice a search box in the Widgets section on the left panel. Type Maps into this search box. You'll see the Google Maps widget appear among the options. Take a moment to get familiar with the interface, as this is where you'll manage the embedding process. When you click on the Google Maps item, it will automatically be added to your page. This seamless integration makes Elementor a powerful tool for adding interactive maps to your WordPress site. You can immediately see the map widget on your page and customize it as per your needs. Consider adjusting the map's starting location or zoom level for the best user experience. This way, when your visitors arrive on your page, they will see exactly what you intended to share, whether it be your business location, an event venue, or any other relevant point of interest. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a Google Map into your WordPress page using Elementor. Remember to save your changes before exiting so that your newly added map will appear on your live site. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. With these steps, you can easily enhance your website and provide valuable location insights to your audience. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on making the most out of your WordPress site. Happy mapping!